family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to do my deal like I always do. So get ready to bring it to you. You might hear some people talking. I am in my car again, so just excuse that. So let's get to this video. All right, so the first thing is the Scott paper towel. It is the 6, I did got the 6 count. It is $3. There is a $1 off digital coupon, and all of these are digital coupon. The next thing is the Tide Simply Pod Oxy. That is $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is glitching. It's supposed to be for the Gain, but it is glitching for the Tide. So I went ahead and got these Tide Oxy, and it's still, still glitching with this one. So the next thing is these Rubbermaid take-alongs, okay? They are $2.50. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. So let me show you what they look like. I like these. These are twist and seal. Yeah, they're different colors. I got this color, like a teal color, and a blue color, okay? So these are scanning, and it's only 2 of them in there, okay? So then the next thing is the Dove. The Dove soap, this is a $3, not $3, oh my goodness, 3 count, okay? They are $2 and, no, I'm sorry, not $2. The Dove is $3.50 each. There is a digital coupon that is attaching. If you spend $7 or more, you get $2 off, okay? You get $2, you save $2 if you spend $7 or more. So I went ahead and purchased 2. The next thing is the Colgate Max Fresh. They are 2 for $5. There is a $3 off of 2 digital that is attaching. Also, there is also another deal that is attaching with this is with Fabuloso, Suavitel. I just didn't do that deal. I just went ahead and got the 2. They are 2 for $5. These Charcoal Max Fresh, and there is a $3 off of 2 that is attaching. The next thing is this Garnier Fructis. This is a trial size, okay? This is $1.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, so making that only 50 cents. The next thing is this Chic Classic, okay? They are, I think they are $4. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing is this Mean Green. All right, this Mean Green, let's see, it is $2. There is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching, and y'all, it's 99.9% kills of bacteria. So that's a good thing for you cleaning also. So y'all, after everything has been scanned and all my digitals came off, my subtotal was $12.45. Yes, $12.45. Y'all was just picking up some things, and I was like, some of these coupons, they are not giving us good coupons, but you got to do what you got to do if you want to make a deal right, okay? So my 5 off of 25 did come off. So let me show you my receipt and my $2 off of my Dove, and I think that was it that came off. And yeah, that was that. Also, it looks like 2 of my 2 store discounts came off for the twist and seal also. So let me show you my receipt. There you go. There's the Scott, the twist and seal tag-alongs, the Tide Simply, the Chic. Okay, there's the Tide, Chic. There's the 2 Colgates. There is, let's see, where is it at? the Fruities, the Mean Green, and then there's the Dove, and then there's my subtotal, $12.45. My total savings was $19, and then I got a 5 off of 25 for next Saturday. So y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.